To add audio per slide in Canva presentation, let's click on this presentation document here, and it opens up a blank new presentation. From here, I'll go to templates and select any templates of my choice to use for this demo. Let's open this template up, and we are going to apply all 10 pages. From here, go over to upload here, and we'll click on record yourself, and you will see where it says record a talking head. I'm going to click on record a talking head, and this window opens up. I'll go over to settings here, and you want to choose how you want to appear. If you want to leave your camera on, you can turn that on from here, camera and screen recording. Or if you just want to record screen only, you can choose that, but I will leave it as is. You see, it says recordings are limited to 25 minutes per page. If you exceed this limit, your recording won't save. So for each of your slide, you don't exceed more than 25 minutes of voice recording for that. So as I want to record voice for this one, I'm going to click on record, and it does this countdown, then it starts to record. Then if I'm done, I'm going to click on done, and I will go into the second slide, and you see the window starts up again. And you're going to go through the same process. Click on record again, and the countdown happens, and you start to record. Once you're done talking for this slide, you click on done like I'm doing so, and you come to the next slide, and you go through the same process for all your slides. You click on record, the countdown happens, getting you prepared to record your notes on this presentation. Once you're done recording all your voices per slide, you want to click on done and come over here where it says save and exit, and click on save and exit. Because I have my face in here, I'm going to click on this image here that is here, and I want to tune it down. I will tune down the transparency. So, and I'm going to also resize it so it doesn't interfere with any other thing on my page. I would pull it up like so and resize it and take the transparency down. So the audio is there, but I'm not there. So I will do this for this page, and you also do it for all the pages your face appeared on them. Take down the transparency. But if you want to leave your face to be seen, it's also an option for you to do. Then you go through your audio recording and make sure it's correct. And once you're done, you click on share to download, or you click on present to present it to the people who are going to be listening to your presentation.